Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to verify your email address on Marco Polo. Now if you don't know how to verify your email address on Marco Polo video messenger app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to verify your email address and you want to make your account more secure and you want to add more friends by doing all of it, then this is the video for you. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to install the Marco Polo app on it device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after installing the app, you just need to open the Marco Polo app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Marco Polo, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So to verify your email address, you just need to click on the settings icon at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to tap on your name or the settings icon. From here you'll see the option of your name and the email address, and also return unverified next to it. So click on the option of it, and from here you need to click on the option of verify email, which is highlighted on blue, and it says our confirmation is on the way. We have sent an email to verify address. Please follow the instruction to confirm your account. So after that you just need to open the Gmail on a device, and you just need to log into the email address where you have got the mail. So here you'll see the option of Marco Polo, then they will send you the step like this. So you just need to follow the steps shown in the email like this, and you'll be able to verify your account. So that's it. That's how you can verify your account on Marco Polo. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.